let's take a look at customizable background textures for your bristle brushes. They are especially useful for dry brush effects, subtle grain, and adding just the right amount of randomness and realism to your work. For every brush preset, you can add one of the default textures or easily import your own. Change the texture's properties like scale, brightness, or contrast. Influence how the background texture blends with the paint. Don't be afraid to test different blending modes to get subtle or more visible effects, depending on your brush. With the depth slider, you determine how deeply your background texture penetrates the brushstroke. Low values create a soft, barely visible texture. More pronounced, rough strokes can be achieved with higher values. Control how visible the texture is in the stroke with the opacity slider. When set higher, the background texture will be more obvious in your strokes. The position of the background texture's grain can be randomized. This helps avoid visible repetition and keeps each stroke looking more natural. You can also set how much the paper texture should influence the background texture. Invert the influence of the paper on the background texture. This one changes how the texture interacts with the paper. Use background texture to add natural variation and break away from overly smooth strokes.